natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shauna, and if it's your first time here, welcome. We're happy to have you on board, and for my day one supporters, welcome as well. Before I jump into the video, I just want to take this time to say a very special thanks to each and everybody who's supporting this thing. Thank you so much, really appreciate you all. And don't forget to like the video, continue to share the video, comment, don't be afraid to go to the comment section, click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet, and last but not least, remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, so today is a simple hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing. Let's jump into the video. You're gonna need one of this is a hair grabber. You're gonna need some Hairstyle gel, some hair wax. You're gonna need a comb, and the last thing that I'm gonna be using is some hair jewelry. Alright, so I'm gonna make a side section that I'll be making. I'm gonna be doing 2 cornrows. So I'm gonna get this big piece out of the way. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some wax just at the root of my hair, just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna be making another part, just a small part. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So I'm gonna be using a black rubber band to catch both cornrows in one. So it's like this. And then I'm gonna be twisting this. So that's how the cornrow looks. Alright, so with this piece I'm going to use some Hairstyle gel. So I'm going to be combing it towards the side, just slightly towards the side. Okay, so with this, I'm just gonna leave it out. I'm not gonna catch it up. I'm just gonna leave it out for the time being. Gonna be using my hair grabber now. So I'm gonna be using my Afro pick to pick it out a bit. It out. So I'm gonna be making like a bun, like. So it's basically I'm just gonna be tucking. So I'm just gonna get some bobby pin to hold it into place. I'm gonna be adding this into the middle right here. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin to hold it into place. So I'm just gonna attach it, pin it down inside of the top, just like that. So basically that's how it looks so far. So I'm gonna make it pop a little bit more. It's gonna be a little glamorous by adding the hair jewelry. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be doing my baby hair. So I'm using this this hair wax to lay my baby hair. So I'm gonna take out some section. I'm not really good at this. I'm just trying to think. But tell me what you think about my edges when it comes out, if it does. And tell me all what you think. So there you have it. There you have it, natural lovers, and that's the outcome of the hairstyle. Beautiful, like elegant, gorgeous. So this hairstyle can wear to any event that you can think about. Party, wedding setting, whatever event it may be, this hairstyle you can rock it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and just want to remind you to continue to share the video, like the video. Don't be afraid to blow up the comment section. Click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Hope you all continue to keep safe. It's that time again where I have to say I'm out. So I'll see you all in another video. Bye everyone.